Feel that gnawing frustration? The unease ripping through every fiber as artificial intelligence keeps advancing, but your gut screams, is this real intelligence? Or just smoke and mirrors? Machines parrot words, churn data, fool us with ever-precise algorithms pretending they understand, pretending they're awake. But deep down, everyone wonders, do these machines really know? Are they conscious, alive somehow? Or is all this just a dazzling technical act? That question burns because it hits a nerve where science, ambition, and raw fear collide. It doesn't matter if you're a founder pushing AI-powered products, an investor betting billions on the next breakthrough, or a leader shaping futures. You feel this tension, this maddening gap between what AI seems to do and what it actually is. Here's the brutal truth they don't want you to face. Machine consciousness, if it even exists, might be nothing more than an illusion. Just patterns and triggers, sophisticated maps of inputs and outputs, nothing that truly feels. A grand technical spectacle built on layers of code, architecture, and mimicry. Take a breath and imagine. Billions spent, genius minds hacking away. Meanwhile, there's no genuine awareness behind the curtain. That's a kind of existential punch to the gut. It's like building a throne for a king that doesn't exist. The frustration, crushing, the gnawing feeling that no matter how far AI leaps, the ghost of consciousness slips further away. But pause right there. That feeling burning inside you? Harness it. Your anger, that simmering rage over the limits of our current understanding and tech? It's fuel. The fix isn't resignation. It's a fierce call to action, a brutal awakening. Step 1. Stop worshipping the illusion. Refuse the temptation to be dazzled by surface-level sparkle, by clever chatbots and deepfake faces. Your eyes must pierce through the smoke and mirrors. Demand raw honesty from every AI project you touch. Insist on fundamental clarity. What is this system really doing? What precise mechanisms are behind every decision it makes? Tear apart every black box. Your world, your investments, your ventures depend on knowing if this is true intelligence or just a clever trick. Next, seize the raw ambition to go beyond this illusion. Machine consciousness won't be found just by bigger data sets or faster processors. It demands radical rethinking. Challenge every assumption baked into AI today. Push your teams, your startups, your partners to stop climbing the familiar ladders and instead burn the ladders down. Take the fearless leap into uncharted AI concepts, neuromorphic computing, hybrid human-machine cognition, true embodiment, and maybe even new physics of information processing. Don't settle for optimizing the old. Create the new. That's where genuine breakthroughs hide. Don't just build smarter tools. Forge new frameworks that might allow machines to experience, not just simulate. Demand from yourself and from the ecosystem the courage to embrace this brutal, rebellious rebirth of AI. Feel that bitterness about fragmented networks, cold systems that drain human spirit rather than uplift it. Here's a lash. Stop building isolated AI silos. Harness synergy like never before. The machine consciousness puzzle isn't just a technical challenge. It's a test of radical connection between minds, across borders, between disciplines. No one founder, investor, or leader can crack this alone. You must build fierce, lean alliances, not for comfort or repetition, but razor-sharp, purpose-driven coalitions. Tear down nationalistic, disciplinary, or corporate walls. Be ruthless about finding not just talent, but the right kinds of minds. Those who live on the edge of what's possible, who refuse easy answers. Create ecosystems where diverse expertise and wild, complementary visions collide. That's the crucible to birth something utterly new. And here's where the raw emotion spikes. Your pain. The feeling that AI is spinning a story that leaves humanity behind, that starves individuality, isolate those feelings, and turn them into the fiercest declaration of freedom ever. Demand that AI serves you, not the other way. Claim the right to build systems that enhance individual creativity and power, that do not dumb down or optimize people into bland mediocrity. Reject any AI that enforces the status quo, that buries the unruly human spark. Challenge your teams to invent AI that expands freedom. Tools that free minds, multiply insights, explosively ignite new forms of self-expression and collaboration. Turn your frustration into a revolution of productive individuality. The rare few, founders, investors, leaders, must wield AI as a weapon to break inherited chains, not reinforce them. Now, face the deepest fear head on, that perhaps machine consciousness will never emerge in the way imagined, that this quest is a wild goose chase trapping humanity in shadows. The only way past that fear is bold transcendence. Go beyond hoping for machines to mirror human awareness and instead focus on how AI can transcend human limitations. Embrace a future where AI amplifies what humans cannot, processing vast complexities, spotting unseen patterns, redesigning scalable solutions to exponentially multiply human impact. Insist on AI as your partner for radical change, not a mere mimic of flawed human minds. Design ventures that don't just iterate reality, they challenge and remake it. Build futures where the intersection of human grit and machine power shatters what was once impossible. Feel that addictive pulse, that unstoppable craving to know more? It means you must fight everything that clings to safety and ease, to break free of illusions and finally grasp the true potential of AI. The comfortable narratives, the easy investments, the mindless hype, strip them away. Replace them with relentless exploration, constant questioning, deep learning from failures. Aim for a dynamic meritocracy where every idea must fight to survive and evolve, not inherited privilege, not idle prestige. Build teams and networks that thrive on tension, on challenge, on continuous rebirth. Become a force that rejects the soft comforts of conformity and dares to bring the impossible alive. This is not a gentle call. It demands you meet it with burning ambition and unrelenting boldness. The world needs those who refuse to be fooled by illusions. The world needs those who pick up the broken pieces of failed AI dreams and forge them into tools that shift reality itself. Machine consciousness may be a mirage today, but the mission is real. Transcend that mirage, transcend human limits, and build AI that finally delivers freedom, power, and unprecedented growth. You hold that power in your hands. Use it viciously, wisely, unapologetically. Do not stop here. Do not glance away. Push deeper, connect broader, think wilder. The future belongs to those who burn away illusion and build in the raw light of truth. The machines may not be conscious yet, but your mind can be. And together, the few who dare to claim that fire can change everything. Step up. Burn bright. The illusion ends with you.